Hey everyone, just want to give you an update on what's happening in my gardens and for my gardens this week. I have planted beet seeds in these two pots that are about 10 inches where the soil sits, and I did this last year and it worked great. I just haven't had luck planting beets into the ground, so I'm doing this again this year. As you can see, my ornamental plum tree has little buds on it, so I expect it should be blooming in a few weeks now. I've also planted quite a few seeds this week, including bells of Ireland, bell peppers, linaria, African daisy, sea holly, basil, cilantro, tomatoes, and marigolds. On a side note, I use inexpensive kitty litter trays to keep my pots in to make watering easy. Potted up a tomato plant that I had taken from a cutting last season because it's outgrown its pot. And then finally, I planted carrots using seed tape. If you've never used seed tape before, it's very handy to keep the birds and mice from eating your seeds out of the garden. And of course, water it in well, and hopefully we'll have some nice, pretty carrots like we did last year. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks!